Many of Apple's greatest iPhone 15 advancements have been leaked, but one of the most shocking has only just been unveiled, and it makes a lot of sense. According to renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple will include a next-generation ultra-wideband (UWB) chip in all iPhone 15 models. According to Kuo, the new chip would go from a 16nm to a 7nm manufacturing process, allowing for improved performance or reduced power consumption for nearby interactions. But why now? After all, Apple released UWB with the iPhone 11 in back 2019, identifying it as the U1 chip, and the corporation found no need to enhance it in the years afterwards. According to Kuo, that is all due to the Apple Vision Pro. UWB, like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, is a short-range, wireless communication system that uses radio waves. Unlike them, UWB works at very high frequencies and may be utilized to collect highly precise spatial and directional data. This was sufficient for the U1's location-based capabilities like Find My precision finding, such as AirTags and AirDrop, but Vision Pro's spatial awareness is on a whole new level. Yes, at $3,500, the Vision Pro is unlikely to sell in significant numbers when it is released in early 2024, but Apple still has to prepare the rest of its famously integrated ecosystem. There is also the possibility of a spillover effect, with the Apple Watch, HomePod, HomePod Mini, and even the current AirPods Pro charging case all using a U1 chip. It remains to be seen if the new chip adds to escalating speculations of iPhone 15 pricing rises. The leaked camera and design upgrades will be far more important factors in the minds of most iPhone 15 upgraders, but the U2 chip, or whatever it is called given the obvious problem with this branding, is another subtle but significant sign of Apple preparing for a future beyond smartphones, as it moves toward an AR/VR future. What more breakthroughs in UWB technology might we anticipate from Apple in the future, and how may they affect the company's AR/VR ambitions? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.